Alright, and how many are in your party? 4. And this will be named
Panoodin niyo daw.
Alright, Miss Sophia, and he will dance. He's invited. Thank you.
Diretso niyo. Pala.
Please enjoy your stay.
Bluetooth mode. Clear.
What would you like to have?
Unfortunately, now we don't have the video for today, but we have great alternatives that would also be serve as a free meal. Would you like to check our selections?
Where? What do you have?
Hold on, let me get the selections for the Sauvignon Blanc.
It's connected.
Okay.
I have the or do you need anything else? I'll leave the menu for them.
Ba talaga? Sa detect pa si Sarah.
Hi, ma'am. By the way, I am Nell, your server for the day. And by the way, may I know how would you like me to call you? Miss Sophia, here are our selection of Sauvignon Blanc, the great alternative for Pinot Grillo. First, we have here the Cotemas. It has a blended rich variety of Sauvignon Blanc and Vermentino from France with a vintage of 2022 and alcohol by volume of 12.5. It has a vibrant notes of citrus, grapefruits, and tropical fruits, and it is refreshing with well balanced. It's also best paired with seafood, white meat, and pasta. Next is Maison de Luz Level B. With a great variety also of Sauvignon Blanc. Then it's from France and it has a vintage of 2022 and alcohol by volume of 11.5. Then this bottle, it has an aromas of white flowers and citrus on the nose, and it is refreshing and elegant and aromatic. Then it's also best paired with poultry and green fish. Then the last one is also a great alternative for Pinot Grillo. Martin de Luz from Martinborough, New Zealand. It has a vintage of 2022 and alcohol by volume of 12.5. Then it has a ripe notes of Kingston fruit and Piper lime, and it's best paired with black oyster, and kingfish.
Hindi ko ikit ng pipili.
We'll try it. Cheers.
Okay, open ma'am?
Practice. Ang galing.
By the way, ma'am, sir, we will just leave the bottle here and have your time to enjoy the day and the wine. Thank you. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you. Thank you.
Grabe naman, tatlo yung dinate mo.
Hindi mga anak ko yan. Graduation nila ngayon.
Sabay-sabay.
Ano ba yun?
Kambal.
Bago kanina parang girls out. Triplet sila.
Sabi niya, nagtitipid ba kayo ng tubig? Nagtitipid ba ng tubig?
Good evening. Well, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. My name is Sophia. Allow me to present to you our wine list. We feature a variety of internationals and local wines. And I'll be back shortly to take your May I take your preference? Unfortunately, Cabernet Sauvignon is not available as of the moment, but I can recommend you a Bordeaux. It's made from Cabernet Sauvignon. It's a blended full-bodied red wine made of Cabernet Sauvignon and Bordeaux. it will give you a hint of an oaken vanilla and will give you a taste of clove and spice aromas. Would you like to try it? Sure. My colleague will be back to serve your wine. May have.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, the wine preference that you like to order, ma'am. Please, the Maison de Luz from Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon. Originated from Bordeaux, France, and wine vintage of 2020. Would you like me to open this, ma'am?
Ganun.
Who would like me to give it a taste first?
Sarap.
May kulay.
Pero gusto namin mag-join sa table.
Kaya ba eh. Steve, inumin mo na Steve. Inumin mo na.
How would you like me to
Yes. Hi, ma'am, sir.
Good evening. I'm Summer and I'm the restaurant manager here in Lifestyle Restaurant. I just want to check in how's everything tasting so far.
we're doing good.
That's good to hear. Let us know if you need anything. Alright? And our friend staff are here to assist us. Alright? Thank you. Excuse me.
Do you have any? Since we're serving you red wine, we prefer or we suggest red meat steak to pair with red wine.
Can we get some steak? We want some steak?
Okay, nasa moment.
Steak ka bibigay dyan.
Medyo matigas. Medyo matigas.
Steak butter.
Extra well done. Kasi babalik ka yung
Congratulations, sir. Thanks, sir. Hindi siya well done. Please enjoy your
Thank you.
Ready ka pa dito ba?
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Okay, just wait for it. Thank you.
Mahaba dapat.
So here's your bill. Here's your bill. So please take a moment to check if everything is correct. So what's your preferred mode of payment? Are you paying with cash or card for today?
we're gonna make cards. Do you accept privilege?
Yes, we have any privilege cards so you can check
ng Kinder.
And we have your valid IDs, ma'am, so that you can also check your card that you will be using for your payment. Thank you so much. Just this may take for a while, so just enjoy your card. Thank you.
So here's your final review, ma'am. So kindly check this again, ma'am. If everything is correct, and here's your card and your privilege card. So is there anything else that we can cover? Sir, for today? Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much. It's a pleasure serving you today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Do you have any reservations, sir?
Yes, maybe for 6.
So you don't have reservation?
Okay, you don't have reservations. Can I offer for how many?
For 6.
Table for 6. Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking.
Okay. Please follow me. Here, ma'am. Please take a seat.
Sino ba kasi national star?
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to have some still water or sparkling water?
A water would do.
Okay.
Thank you.
For what? By the way, sir, I'm Ariel. Here's white service. Here's our white men.
What is your weight for
For red wine, we have Belbeck, Elizabeth, and Batalie Shaw.
Can I
Sir, for Sauvignon Blanc, we have Fiji Ranger and we have Fatimas. Fatimas is a blended wine with Sauvignon and Vermenouth.
Can you remove it to red wine or
Red wine, ma'am.
white wine?
White wine, ma'am.
Yes.
For white wine, ma'am, we have Fiji Ranger and Fatimas. But for now, you can order Fiji Ranger. Sorry. Would you like to pair it with food? Grilled shrimp, bluff oyster, and ceviche kingfish. Okay, ma'am, let me repeat your order. You will order 1 bottle of Sauvignon Blanc, Fiji Ranger, and one order for grilled shrimp, black oyster, and ceviche kingfish. Okay, for a white. Yes. Cracker, ma'am. Sorry, it's cracker. Okay. Your food will be served within 15 to 20 minutes. Oyster, grilled shrimp, and ceviche kingfish, please.
cake. Yes. Serve the wine. Change the wine, please.
Hi, sir. Hi. My name is Dex, and this is Sherry. Alongside with me, we are your wine servers for today. And let me present to you the wine that you have ordered. And this is Franny range with great variety of Sauvignon Blanc. And the variant of this wine is Martinborough Timuna, New Zealand. And with vintage 2023. And with alcohol content 12.5% by volume. Okay, I will let now Cherry to open your wine.
magpapares. So, counter na.
Meron din ako.
I want cold water.
Okay, nakita.
Excuse me, can you get the menu list? After I'm certain.
Hola, buenos dias. It's a pleasure to have you in Lifestyle PH Restaurant. I'm Kate, one of your servers for today. Please allow me to present to you our wine list. We have a variety of local and international wine. Please let me know if you're ready to order.
What will you have? Papa? Red wine. Do you have red wine, please? Red wine.
It's a wine. If you would like to order, it's actually a white wine. We have here, here. Uno is actually a Malbec wine. Would you like to order that one, sir? So just to confirm, you would like to order a red wine, which is Uno. This is my Uno, which is a Malbec. Would you like to have an additional order to pair it with? We do recommend, since it's best paired with beef, lamb, or pork, you can also pair it with vegetable or full-bodied.
We'll have steak.
Steak.
How about steak? I'll go with the pork. Beef. Pork. Pork. How about steak? Steak. Can you start combo?
Unfortunately, we don't serve coffee here in the restaurant.
Let's go to Starbucks steak. Steak? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3 steaks and 1 pork. How about steak? Doing 4.
To repeat your order, ma'am, you're ordering one bottle of Malbec or red wine, and then four order of steak, and then 1 pork.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. Excuse me, I have to take this.
whiskey from year 2020 with alcohol content of beverage by volume of 13% and 13.9%, and this is when it's made body wine. May I open this wine for you? Here's card to open. Di ba delikado kay tatay?
Ang kulit ni Lola, minsan daw ng months. 10K? She's asking 70K kasi papakita yung phone para bank transfer na lang. Dami pera, oh. Dami pera ng papa. Face face recognition. Send. Thank you.
Kumusta mag-aaral mo?
Papa, 2 years old pa lang yan.
Binigyan ng 2 years old pa lang ba? Balik pinabunatan mo ako.
Actually, Papa, ako muna yan. Anak siya nito.
Magan dito ba lang?
Wait lang, kanino pamilya ba yung ano? Sinasabi mo, sa akin ba o dun sa isa?
Kasi siyempre, ano?
Wag lang.
Yung una pinili ko
Mabuti na.
Dapat nanginginig yung kamay ni Lolo eh.
Wala silang memory.
Yung 2 years old, hindi naman iinom yan. 2 years old yung naghahat ng Pogo. 2 years old.
Meron din po 2 years old kung ano.
Ako yung hindi ka
Cheers! Long life ni Dada ay ni Papa. Ano? Nakikipag-cheers ka na, 2 years old ka pala. Dada, takasin ka na yun. Bitaw ka na.
Dali ko lang mag-rest. Sir.
Can I jump here now? To hear your feedback about our stories. The white.
Don't want to Very, very delicious. It's very delicious food here. That's very, very nice of you.
Taga-saan ba yan?
Yes, very, very nice suggestion. How about you guys? Do you have any additionals?
Or pag ganyan.
None so far. Thank you, sir. We'll take the bill. Thank you. We order it.
Wait, Spidera.
Hindi ko makita.
They have payment for online payment, bank transfer.
Do you have any English card?
Yes, yes, yes.
Senior pala to. Papa, your senior card, please. Here.
Sweet.
Okay.
India.
Transfer.
Emergency.
Yung mga anak pa namin, baka yung PWD. Ay, hindi siya yung Thank you. Sorry. Where's the stage pa? Senior citizen. Sige. Papa, let's go na.
Muchas gracias.
Hope to see you again.
Ang out nila, ang minister ng
Yung gamit yan. Okay? Pero yun, sa bawat service na natin ang kaya. Ang service is always on the right. Okay? Nasa kanan. Okay? Lagay ka ng baso. Laging sa kanan. Diba? Ngayon, yung kasunod niya, anong nangyari? Actually, hindi ng group 1 eh. The rest of the group, baka naniligod. Tama o hindi? Tama. Tama o mali? Mali.
Dapat ba kaliwa?
From right hand, right side. Right side. Right. Right foot forward, right hand, right side. Okay? Saan ka nakaharap?
Sa guess.
So,
Sa...
right foot, right side.
Kaya pala.
Nakita mo siya. Ikot ko ulit ka na. Okay? Tama? Yes. Good. Kasi mahirap yung gagawin nyo. Hawak mo yung bar tray, lagay ka dito, lakad ka papunta dito. Pag-ikot mo sa pulto. Pag-ikot mo sa pulto. Pag masikip. Okay? Pag maluwag, walang problema. Pero mas okay kung nandito na yung tray, may lalayo mo sa kanya. Sikot ko ulit.
Parang di matama.
Lapag mo. Ikot ka, buha ka, lapag mo. Okay? Sa way naman, ang madalas na nakikita mali is yung habang nag-open, siya yung host ko, habang nag-open is umiikot yung puti. Okay, pang kalahati na to hindi na to group 2.
Dapat naka-steady.
Okay. Then, after umikot ng bote, wala na. Ngayon, ito yung isa sa mga tinuro ko doon sa mga nakaupo din sa lamesa. Okay? First. When you're opening yung right, mahaba. Diba?
Sir.
So, ang technique ko dito is always make it slant and always make it smooth. Okay? Siya yung host ko. Pag nag-serve ako sa kanya, right hand, cradle. Tama? Nakapulsa to. Siyempre. Right hand, cradle na kikita niya kasi siya yung host ko. Tama ba to, sir? Ito ba yung order mo? Parang ganun. Okay? Then, after nyan, transfer mo by lifting your wrist lang. Angat nyo lang. Pag-angat nyo, hawak. Yun yung reason kung bakit cradle. Next is, kuha ka nito. Ang unang bubuksan is yung knife niya. Bukas. Diba? Pag nagbukas, hindi ito yung umiikot. Yung kamay. Pero make sure na yung siko, hindi mo sisikuin yung katawan niya. Tama? Okay? Pag nag-open ka, ang technique dyan is atras ka. Okay? Tapos, open. Pagkabukas mo, kung hindi clean cut at hindi kayang isabit yung cork katulad yung ginagawa sa industry, always make sure na check mo yung foil. Kung bakit yung pagkakakat, tanggalin mo na nung. Kung malinis yung pagkakakat, gusto mo yung basura. Okay? Next, open yung mismong ano natin, or screw. Pasok nyo, pin down, point. Ang reason kung bakit make it slant is naka-slant lang po para stable yung kamay mo. Okay? Hindi siya ano. Okay? Yan. Tutok pa rin sa kanya, no matter what, alam mo nandun yung direction kaya siya nakaslant. Pag umanan yan, ibig sabihin umikot yung kamay mo sa iba na nakaharap yan. Kailangan nakadiretso pa rin sa kanya. Ito, diretso to, alam mong nakaslant, sa kanya nakaharap.
Okay.
Pour ka, once na pumasok na yung unang part ng screw, hindi mo na kailangan i-push yan. Push na babaw niyan. May butas man yan o wala. Kahit bagong cork pa yan, pag na-ibaw mo na yung unang spiral niya, dire-diretso na yan. Continue nyo. Then after yan, ang technique ko naman dito is itong part na to, yung lever, nakaharap sa kanya. Hindi nakaharap doon, hindi rin nakaharap dito. Bakit? Mayroong control niya. Nakaharap lang sa kanya kasi nasa kanyang handle. Next is, sa ilalim lang ulit yung hawak. Fold. Tapos, baba ko ng konti hanggang sumabit. Ngayon, nakasecure na yung lever, nakasecure na rin yung handle. Pwede ko na siya hilain. Diba? In this way, ito maluwag na talaga to. So, makakat siya. Kung hindi pa, pwede mo pa siyang i-adjust to sa second. Diba? Pag nayangat mo naman, ginagawa ko is naka-open. Pero bago ko gawin itong naka-open, tatanungin mo muna yung kliyente. Sir, would you like to check the cork? Gusto mo bang tignan yung cork? Kasi kung hindi naman niya gusto tignan yung cork, huwag mo na yun. Okay? Ngayon, pag sinabi niya yes, eto na yun. Ito daliri na to. Buha, tiglo, payakap. Kalahati na siya, 1/4 na. Pagkakuha mo, buha. Ngayon, eto, lawit mo. Ulit, yung tuturo. Igutin mo yung corkscrew. Counterclockwise. Pag naramdaman mo lumambot at malapit na siya malaglag, grip mo na siya. Pinch. Tapos yung cork naman yung ikutin mo. Okay? Pagkaingat mo ng cork, serve mo sa kanya, right foot forward, serve. Pag magsaserve ka, nakaganyan. Naka-open mo na. Baba mo. Ngayon, pagkaangat mo, eto, pinch mo yung isang side. Let it drop, tapos balik mo na. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya masyadong makalat yung uwid mo. Ngayon, ito na. Close mo to, diretso sa bulsa. Tapos, swipe mo ng konti. Angat mo, sunod yung isang kamay. Pagka-angat mo, sunod yung isang kamay. Bitaw. Nakahawa ka na. Pouring grip. Pag mag-pour ka na, right foot forward. Ngayon, ang technique ni sir, dalawa. Papasok at palabas. Kapag papasok ka, ang tendency dapat yung face. Okay? Tapos ito, iurong mo na. Pour ka. Ikot mo, nakaharap sa kanya label. Nakaharap sa kanya label. Pag palabas naman, yung third technique is sa'yo naman nakaharap yung label. Ganyan ka. Pour ka, tapos ikot. Unas, nasa kanya pa rin yung label. Okay? Huwag tatalikod sa kanya yung bote. Good?
Good.
Ngayon, pagkatapos mo rin sa kanya, tasting, blah blah blah. Sabi niya, okay na, pwede mo na i-serve. Ikot ka, sino yung pinakamatanda? For example, yung pinakamatanda. Punta ka, sino sa inyo? Hindi kayo dalawa. Sige yan. Pour ka, sima muna. Pour. Tapos, sa tingin nyo yung kasunod siya, di ba? Hindi ako atras.
Iikot pa?
Iikot talaga akong buo.
Ah, okay.
Iikot ako ng buo. Bakit?
Kahit katabi mo na siya, sir?
Kahit katabi mo na siya, ihigit ka ng buo. Pour ka sa kanya. After nun, sino masunod? Doon na sa kabila. Diretso ka, kanan. Laging pa kanan. Clockwise ka lang. Pour. Tapos punas. Ikot ulit. Doon sa kalagita. Tapos ay may bata.
Ikot ulit.
Alam mo na yun, kung may bata. During pa lang, nung nag-ask pa lang ng order. Dapat during asking of order, pagkaupo nila, check mo na kung merong minor. Pag may minor, automatic cross out yun. Hindi mo bibigyan ng glass. Ang glass ang nagdidictate. Okay? Pag may glass siya, ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang servan. Kung anong glass yung nakalagay, pula ba yan or puti, yun yung isa-serve mo sa kanya. Kung puti yan, ibig sabihin, puti yung wine niya. Kung dalawang wine nila sa isang table, kung ano yung glass na nakalagay, kung puti ba yan or pula, pwede mong lagyan. Kung pula, pula. Eh, katabi puti. After ng isang round, puti naman. Ano siya? Kung dalawa kayong server, pwede nyo gawin. Sabay kayo. Nagra-round robin kayo.
Eh, sir, kunwari, may tanong ako. Sinabi nyo dalawang wine, no? Paano kung kunwari yung guest gusto tikman parehas sabay?
Wala namang problema.
Magdadagdag bali ng wine glass.
Dalawang wine glass na yun. Isang ganyan.
Ah, okay.
Tapos, ito.
Magiging dalawa na. Okay.
Yan.
Akala ko sabihin, ubusin nyo po muna, tapos sasaling ko ulit yung panibago.
Okay. Pour ka sa pula. Kaya mo muna siya.
Hindi, tinatanong ko nga kasi di ko nga
Kaya
alam.
mo muna siya. Pour ka muna tasting. Kasi siya yung host, for example, siya host. Gusto niya tikman muna parehas bago niya pamigay. Kung okay na sa kanya, abot mo doon sa kasama mo. Hindi pwedeng ikaw mag-isa dalawang wine.
Ah, okay.
Isa lang kada tao. Sir, papatikman mo sa kanya. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa, kailangan mayroong card. May lagayan.
Para pa rin.
Okay, kung puti yan, dapat may wine stand ka para sa white. Yung pula, walang problema. Unahin mo yung pula, pag okay sa kanya, serve mo muna, tapos dapat mo yung pula sa gitna. Kapag puti, saka mo ulit sa white bucket. Okay? Ganda. Good?
Good.
Ngayon, pagkatapos nyo na mag-serve, may bata. Hindi mo na saservan, di ba?
Nag-request.
That's the time na pag-ikot mo, balik ka ulit kay host. Si host yung pinakahuli. In case na tingin mo, for example, lahat sila iinom talaga, hindi siya bata. Yan, pour ka na. Ngayon, ibang scenario naman tayo. Anong serving ng isang bote?
5.
5. Kasi 150 ml multiplied by 5 is 750. Tama? 750 ml, ibig sabihin 5 servings. Ang una yung sinaservan is si host. Ang una yung nilagay is around 45 to 60 ml. Tama? For tasting. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, yung 150 ml niya, bukasan niya ng 45. Ilan na lang? 100? 105. Okay? Eh, hindi naman inubos yung tasting. Itikman niya lang yan after lalapag niya. Servan niya na lahat. Ang pinakahuli sa kanya. Eh, kaso anim sila. Tanungin mo agad siya. Gusto niyo bang magdagdag isang bote? Kasi estimate natin dito, 5. Gusto niyo bang magdagdag? Pag sinabi niyang hindi, that's the time na saka ka mag-a-adjust na dapat pagkasya mo isang bote sa atin. Okay? Yun yan. Good na?
Good.
Ngayon, sa pag-iiwan, ito nagiging mali ng iba. Pag nag-iiwan kayo, white wine. Diba? Yung label pa rin nasa kanya, sa host ko eh. Tapos, kahit di naman niya nakikita yan, takpa mo na. Wala nang problem. Iwan mo na dito. Okay? Next is, paano humawak ng wine may laman? Kinabahan yung isa eh. Pag may laman, ang technique dyan is ito. Ulit. Kahit nalunin mo yan, hindi gagalaw yung bote dyan. Okay? Ang gagalaw lang dyan yung water at saka ice. Okay, alaman pala na ito yung ice lang ha. Water
and ice.
Tapos lapag. Then, pagka mag-aangat ka, always make sure na pag inangat mo yung wine, kasama punas. Okay? Tapos, pagka punas mo sa kanya, saka mo ito isabit. Tapos, present mo na ulit, sir, blah, blah, blah. Diba? Okay ba yan? Meron naman, may times naman, during the service or before the service, nag-grace si sir, is naka-open yung wine. Bago dali. Okay? Pero naman, hindi pa naka-open yung wine, so sa harap mo pa talaga i-open. May mga ganun, okay? Ano pa? May questions?
Pero paano pag-ubos mo yung wine?
Naubos yung wine, tapos
Isang round.
sa isang round, tapos gusto pa nila.
May bucket po dyan.
May bakit dito.
Iwanan pa po ba yung bote?
Naubos to sa isang ikot.
Yes, sir.
May ano, huwag na. Tanggalin.
Ano natin?
Na, wala nang laman, iwanan mo pa. Pag may laman lang sa kanya, pagka wala na laman,
Tatanggalin na rin yung...
pieces lang yun, parang pagkain lang yun, yung plato lang yun na walang laman. Pag naubos na yung plato, no, wala na siyang laman, ba't mo pa yun? Di ba ang pangit sa mata? Ito, dagdag sa spasyo.
Tanggalin na
Wala
rin.
naman ng laman, yung bote. Pag sabihin mo na, sir, excuse me, I just remove this. Kasi, for example, yung second round sila, naubos na. Or kung first round pa lang, ilagay mo na, hindi mo na kailangan. Sama mo na pag-out. Or do you still want to take the bottle? Depende sa inyo, depende sa inyo. Pero sa restaurants, hindi naman ma-offer yung bote na iuwi kapag wala na naman. Diba? Automatic na yun. Diretso sa likod. Okay? Good?
Good.
Any questions?
Trolley.
Dahil sa station na yun, meron may kita, it's either torch or candle. Tapos yung mismong decanter. Ang gagawin mo doon, yung decanter, nandito, yung torch, nandito, malapit to sa decanter. Yung ilaw ng torch or ng candle is makikita mo dapat itong part na to. Clearly, kung meron siyang mga lata-lata. During nagpo-pour ka, pupunta doon sa decanter, tip mo muna, tapos ang unang pour niyan, hindi yan talaga sinaserve. Ang unang pour niyan, ng wine, is panglinis sa decanter. So for example, meron akong decanter dito.
Akala ko yung parang sa emperador, yung para sa demonyo.
Let me card ako for example nag-pour ako, yung unang kong pour niyan, hindi talaga yan pang serving. Para yan panlinis. Kaya ginaganyan pa nila yung decanter. Tapos, check pa nila lahat. Kailangan lahat na sides pa, mamaya may alcohol pa sa loob. Tapos, ubuhos nila yan.
Sabihin, ay sayang.
Yun sayang. Ganun talaga yun pag old boy. Yung unang part dyan sa pinakababa, yung first around 60 to 90 ml niyan.
Wala.
Tapos pour ka na, habang may candle sa ilalim, pour ka, tip mo muna. Tapos dahan-dahan. Tapos ilapag mo na yung ano mo. Kung may cheesecloth naman, yung mga decanter, may mga decanter na gumagamit ng cheesecloth strainer, nilalagay sa babo. Pwede mo na diretso. Tapos yung light nandito. Open mo lang. Tapos, pour mo lang dahan-dahan, slowly mo lang. Tapos pag nakita mo na yung latak niya, for example, ito na, i-ano na, fast forward lang natin. Nakita mo na, may latak na itong part na to. Stop na, kahit may naman pa siya. Okay?
Gets.
Kung may cheesecloth naman siya, diretso mo na, wala namang problema. Kasi hindi naman lalagpas sa cheesecloth yung impurities. Okay? Good? Good. Good na ba? Good na.
Good. Ano pangalan ni Ma'am?
Mariel po.
Mariel. So, comment ko lang, first, yung mga mga presensya at mga nagsalita most of, for every group. Si Marinel, tama ba? Marinel, Grace, Sophia, Jenny, Dexter, si Ma'am Mariel, si Kate, si Miko. So, you executed yung mga rules ninyo very well. Although hindi siya 100% polished, pero andun yung mararamdaman mo yung presensya, alam mo yung ginagawa. Okay, medyo need lang i-push pa yung iba para makita ng confidence. Medyo nakukulangan lang sa confidence ng iba nag-present. Okay? And then okay, sa first group, yan, sige. So, parang may common denominator si group 1 and group 2. Yung wala yung saucer for the pork, bilusan na lang sa apron, yung mga napapansin ko. And then, yun nga, na-demonstrate naman ni Sir, yung gagawin muna is to taste muna ng host yung wine. And then pag-approve na ni host, saka mo na siya ipupur sa bawat baso ng kung sino man yung dapat na i-prioritize muna. Alright? Elderly or women. Okay, yun lang. And what else? Yung sa serve on the right side. I mean, pag sa right side, yung drinks, and yun nga sa, in-explain na about the food. So, depende sa establishment kung anong standard kung saan isa-serve yung food, left or right. Right? But for the drinks, usually dapat, or yun talaga, a must is the right side. Okay? Mapa-aliwete man yung inyong guest. Alright? What else? Siguro yung alcohol by volume, yung 1 and 2. Yun lang yung hindi ko narinig. Alcohol by volume. What else? You always seat the kung sino dapat i-prioritize, kung sino dapat i-upo muna, elderly or women. Okay? What else? Yung sa group 3 and 4 naman, oh well, good naman yung manager sa group 2, nag-check back. Okay, medyo nakakatakot lang. Very brief yung kanyang visit. Yeah, so ganun lang siya. So, pero yun, good thing naman na andun yung presence ng manager. Good yun sa isang establishment. And then, what else? Group 3 and 4, so, syempre, medyo somehow na-rectify nyo na. Although, gumulong ang pork sa table. So, for both servers, wine servers. What else? Sino sa group 3 yung nag-ano? Group 3 yung wine servers? Pangalan niyo, sir?
Chair.
4.
Ako po sir,
Tapos ikaw dun sa group 4. Paano sir? Carl. Okay, sir. Kalmutan din kami. So, ayun lang. Sige.
Hindi pa pala tayo.
Okay.
Nawaw ka, diba?
You're using your
Nawaw ka,
backhand
diba?
while serving or cooking
Magiinom
water and wines. Kumbaga, ganyan. So, tendency, baka matamaan yung mukha. Although, on the right side ka, nasa-serve, pero itong gamit mo. Sanay ka ba dito? Awa? Ito kasi pinakuha mo ng baso, tapos sa tupor kang ganyan, ginaganon mo. So, medyo delikado kasi baka masiko yung mukha ng customer. Although, on the right side naman, yung pag-serve mo ng drinks. Okay naman. Yun yung napansin ko for both water and wine. And what else? Ayun nga. Sabi ni sir, could have removed the wine glass for the young one. Pero it's okay. Hindi naman natin ano pa yun lahat. Hindi pa talaga alam ng server kung bata talaga si ma'am. Okay? Late na nalaman. Okay?
Baby nga siya.
Age reveal.
Baby nga, 2 years old pa lang.
Repeat order. Ayan, na-repeat order naman na yung process yung repeat order ng food ni Kate. What else? So yun lang naman, mga ano ko, ang aking mga observation and feedback.